This video will show you how to remove a guest from a booking. Hotelogix lets you remove a guest from a booking whenever required. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation from which you want to remove a guest. Click View Details in the context menu that shows up. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. Click Remove icon to remove main primary guest from the reservation. An alert appears to seek your confirmation. Click OK. As we click OK, the guest is removed. Please note that the name of the guest is not visible among the room sharers now. You can now add a different profile. In case a primary guest is removed, the sharer becomes the primary guest. In case of single occupancy date, the guest profile in the sharers panel. Click Delete icon. Click OK in the confirmation box. Note that the number of adults under room sharers changes. Click Save. Note that once the sharer becomes primary guest, the name on the tape chart will also change. Alternatively, you can remove a guest in the booking by directly clicking the reservation. The single reservation panel opens up. Click View. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing and remove a guest in a similar manner as explained earlier. This brings us to the end of the video on how to remove a guest from a booking.